Hello everyone. So today I'm going to install Ubuntu Server 23.10, which has just launched. So for that, let's go to Ubuntu website. Here you can search on Google. You can just search Ubuntu, and you will land on Ubuntu page. On there, you can find the link for downloading Ubuntu Server ISO file. So let's download the Ubuntu Server ISO. Okay. So this is just downloading. So let's wait for now. Wait for it. Okay. So ISO file is downloaded now. So let's open virtual player. So this you can like I'm just installing it inside window in a like virtual player like free version. So you can use any one of the virtualization tool, whether virtual VMware professional version, VMware player, or VirtualBox, or QMenu, or Windows also has a virtual manager tool. You can install it from features. So any one of it, you can use it to now install it in a virtual player. Okay, so if you want to install this server directly on the computer, so just create a bootable USB disk, and you will have a lot of tools available. I will make also video on that. So, okay, Ventori is a very good tool nowadays. So you just have to create a USB bootable disk, and you can put as many as ISO files you can in that pen drive, and it will boot as such. So here I'm just using virtual player. So you here go to the player, create like select new virtual machine, and then select the ISO file. After that, do the hardware configurations. So for now, I'm just choosing a 4 GB RAM, two processors, and a few other settings. As such, everything is default. I'm not touching anything else. Okay. So with this configuration, we'll create our virtual machine. This is just for demo purpose. Okay. So we'll not make any much of the changes. Okay. So let's do next. So here I have done the configuration of everything. You can also select virtual this memory, like video memory, for better performance. So whichever settings you like, you can just do it. Okay, so here I'm getting these all options because I am installing Ubuntu into a virtual player or virtual box. But on direct installation, you will get the options which I am getting now. So the ISO file is being loaded, and the Ubuntu is currently booting up, and I'll get options related to Ubuntu installation. So you can see on the screen the outputs. These are just pre start steps, like after booting up. These are the part of booting up for Ubuntu for installation. Okay, so let's wait for it to complete. Okay, so let's wait for it for completing. So here, in server, you get a chance to see the output, what going behind it. But in when you install a desktop version, you will have a GUI interface, and on the back end, all these commands will be running. So this is the after loading up. So this screen has come, and here after the here you will be selecting different options related to operating system now. So whatever we have done previously was related to virtual player or VMware, and here it's related to operating system. So let's select the language as English. So I'm currently I just want that English language to be installed, so I'm just keeping it English. Okay, and after that on the next screen. Sorry. So next screen, it will ask you to select different things. So you will have a description of all the options. So you can choose accordingly, and likewise it's just a wizard thing in a terminal window. So you can keep on doing and selecting things, and if you want, I'm using the default settings. So you can do configuration related to network, configuration related to disk, configuration related to servers. All these settings you can do here, and after that I have here it will ask whether you want to update it or not. So I have chosen to update it. Okay, so let's wait for it to complete. So it's still updating the installer. So after this, we have few other configurations. Okay, so here it's disk related thing. So I have just kept to the default disk. So as it is virtual machine, so it will I am using it all the disk, and it will automatically do the partitions accordingly. Here you can enter your computer name, username, and the password which you want to log in. So please enter all those details and do next. And here I just wanted to install a SSH server. So this SSH server is basically used to connect on port 22 from any other machines which can be reached from this machine. So basically this is installing that, installing it, and started installation basically. So let's see. I'll click next on this. Okay. So let's wait for it for some time. So here you will get other option to select these components. So basically when you run a Ubuntu server, basically you host some of the services, whether it can be Kubernetes or any like Docker or any cloud related clients or servers. So basically the server you use to run some services, hosting some services. So if you want, you can install these services here. So basically the installation has started now. Okay, so this will keep on scrolling and keep on installing. So let's wait for it to complete now. Okay, so it just wait. So the installation is done now, and here we are getting a prompt to log in. So basically the login details are the same which you had or we had entered into the previous steps. So there we gave a computer name and username, our like user complete name and user ID and password. So same credential you can use to log in. Okay. So I had used login name as Shashwat, so I'll be using that same name, Shashwat, and password I'll put. So after that, I will be I am logged into the Ubuntu server. So basically, in Ubuntu server, you would not get GUI interface. So basically, in any kind of distribution which are server desktop edition, you will not get this desktop just for security reasons. So basically, we don't log in directly to the Linux servers. We work mostly from the remote station only, and we connect to that computer using either SSH or any other like tools available. So we don't go directly on the server and load the GUI and work on that because okay. So here I'm if you can see I'm entering the username and password. So currently it's showing that I am logged in. So I have created. So basically now what I'll do, I'll try some commands. Okay, so DF used to see the disk, ls I did to see the listings. Okay, so few other commands. So this is the top command which will show the amount of memory process running, amount of CPU being used, how much memory is left, how much memory is used. So all those kind of like swap memory, everything it will show you. So I'm like just running the some basic commands just to check the functionality or like sanity checked kind of things. So I'll be running a few more commands, so hope you can see it. And from the command itself, you'll be able to understand like what those command is for. So if you can see, okay. So just have a look, just follow it. I'm just updating it. So basically, for after installing a server, in production you don't have to install it, like you don't have to update it. And but here I'm just for like purpose of showing you what all things we can do. I'm just upgrading it. So maybe if some updates are available, it will be updated to the newer version, and the softwares will be upgraded to the newer version. Okay, so I'll be using few other commands, running few other commands. You can understand from the command itself. So basically, uname hyphen a, it will give you the all the distribution details like what is the Unix. Then you have LSB release -A. So this will give you the information which you can see on the screen, like Ubuntu, which what is it? So free -H that will give you the memory information related to memory. Okay. So these are the basics command which I'm just running to do the sanity check or see if all everything is working fine. Okay, so just keep on like following the video and see the command features. So basically, the server is installed now. Okay, and you can start working on it. So basically, in the server, you will log in from remotely. Okay. So if you have any development work, you have to install like build essentials. So those will contain things related to build and development. So okay, but basically on the server you don't want to do development. It is just for hosting applications and different kind of services. So like mm, mm, like installing things will be fixed. Okay. So if you can see, it has installed the Vim, Will Essential, and Net Tools. Okay, these are the basic commands which I'm just trying to demo you the like what all things we can do. Okay, just keep following it, and so basically server is ready now. You can start working it, and whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay, so thanks for watching. And please do like, subscribe, and support our channel. And I'm just trying to bring some tutorials for the people who does not know. There are many videos on the YouTube which are already there related to this. But I'm also adding something, maybe something from my video also will be useful for a few people. So please do like, subscribe, and comment, and just engage with us. If you like something, just let us know in comments. If you don't like something, that also comment in the comment box and like share your comments, and we'll try to fix the issues and we'll try to improve. So thank you for watching, and let's rock, okay, and let's learn new technologies. Thank you.